Hello children, welcome to today's online art class. In today's class, I'll be teaching you how to draw a sailing boat. So let's see how to do that. So children, let's begin our drawing. To start with, let me draw some wavy lines to make water waves. Now draw a C shape and a slanting line and join both the lines with a sleeping line to make a hull or a base of the boat. Now again I draw C shape and inverted C shape and close the line. Now to draw the mast or the pole, I just draw parallel lines. Draw the main sail using a slanting line and a curved line as shown. Next, let me draw the boom using slanting parallel line and draw the loop. On the right hand side, let me draw the jib. To draw the jib, just draw inverted C shape and curved lines as shown. Last but not the least, we just draw a flag on top of the mast or the pole. Try to draw as shown in the picture. Now it's a coloring time, children. I color dark blue and light blue shade for water waves. First I color with dark blue and then I give some shades of light blue. Now let me color the base or the hull of the boat. I give dark brown shades at the corners and I fill in with yellow color at the center. This gives two color effect, that is color blending. Now let me color the pole or the mast with brown color and I color the boom with brown as well. Now start coloring the jib with different colors or the colors of your choice. I used here red, green, blue, yellow, pink and orange. Children, as you can observe, I am mixing two colors here, that is yellow and orange. This is a color blending technique. I use light yellow and orange to give two different shades. Next I do the same with blue and pink. I give blue strokes from upward and pink downward strokes and blend them together at the center. Now it's time to color the mainsail. I use dark green, light green and yellow color to color the mainsail. First I am doing with dark green, now I do with light green and later I blend the complete mainsail with yellow color. At last I am coloring the flag with red and blue color. Color is completely your choice, children. You can use any of your favorite colors. This was all about today's class, children. You learned how to draw a sailing boat and coloring it. Hope this class was easy and you learned something new. Until I meet you with the next concept, take a very good care of your health and bye for now.